Hello friends, welcome back to the class 7th Geography chapter 5 Water. Water is one of the most important substance on earth. All plants and animals and all living beings must have water to survive. If there was no water, then there would be no life. That safe safe drinking water is known as potable water. There are many sources from where we can collect water. So in this chapter we will study about that sources. First, we all should know the World Water Day observed on 22nd March of every year. Terrarium is just like an aquarium, but not for fish. It is for plants, the small plants in the glass, which we can keep these plants in the glass body and put them into our home. Water cycle, the process of which water continuously changing its form in a cyclic manner and circulated between oceans, atmosphere and land is known as water cycle. The circulation of all the water on the earth's surface is called water cycle. Here is a diagram of water cycle. We have here groundwater from which water evaporates and condenses in the atmosphere, which will form clouds, and then again these clouds fall to the ground in the form of rain. So there is a completion of water cycle. 97.3% of earth's water is found in the ocean, which is not safe for drinking. It is salty water that contains sodium chloride. Freshwater sources, glaciers and ice caps, which is 2% of earth's water. Groundwater 0.68%, lake and pond 0.009%, atmosphere 0.0019%, and river has less freshwater 0.0001%. Salinity. What is salinity? Salinity is the amount of salt in gram present in 100 grams of water. The average salinity of ocean water is 35 parts per thousand. The salinity of Dead Sea in Israel, Dead Sea which is in Israel, is approx 340 grams per thousand grams of water. Ocean circulation. The movement that occurs in the ocean can be broadly categorized as wave, tides, and currents. Waves are the form when winds press across the ocean surface. The stronger the winds below, the bigger the wave generates. The rise and the fall of ocean water alternatively are called a wave. During storms, the high speed winds form huge waves. Earthquake, volcanic eruption, or landslide underwater can shift a large amount of water called tsunami. It is very high tide, were around 15-meter height, and does large destruction along the coast. Tides, the rise and the fall of ocean water twice in a day, is called tide. How tide occurs? When the sun, the earth and the moon comes in a straight line, the earth then Earth experiences the force from the sun and the moon, and the tides are generated. So the tides which are generates from the force of the sun and moon, these are known as high tide, and other tides are known as low tide. High tides are also known as spring tide, and the low tides also known as neap tide. Uses of high tides: it helps in navigation, it helps large sizes to reach the harbor, in fishing, and to generate electricity. Ocean currents are the streams of water flowing in a definite direction. There are two types of ocean currents: warm current and cold current, which we will study further in the late classes. Warm ocean currents originates near the equator and move towards the poles, and the cold current carry water from the poles or higher latitudes to lower latitudes. The fishing hotspots. The fishing hotspots, the region where the hot and the cold water currents meet, it's the best fishing ground in the world. It also makes foggy weather and it makes difficulty in navigation. For example, area around Japan, eastern coast of America. So exercise. What is precipitation? Precipitation is also known as rainfall. When moisture in the air not able to hold more water, it falls under gravity in the form of water. Snow and hails is known as precipitation. What is water cycle? The circulation of water in a cyclic manner from land to the atmosphere is known as water cycle. The diagram of the water cycle. What are the factors affecting the height of waves? Wind speed, water depth, surface topography of water, wind's direction. Which factors affect the movement of ocean water? Movement of ocean water, so ocean salinity, ocean temperature, wind speed, and ocean depth and topography. What are tides and how are they caused? The rise and the falls of the ocean water twice in a day is called tides, and I already told you how are they caused. They caused by the gravitation pull of moon and sun. What are the ocean currents? Ocean currents are the stream of water flowing in a particular definite direction. It may be warm or cold current. So here is the completion of chapter 5 of class 7 geography, water. Thank you, class.